In this tutorial, we will review the services and resources available through Precision Health. Precision Health at U of M is a cross-campus initiative that is supported by the Provost's Office as well as several schools and colleges like the Medical School, College of Engineering, and School of Public Health. Our goal is to create resources that can be used to enrich ongoing research and sponsor new efforts. We want these resources to serve as accelerators and incubators of research campus-wide. By facilitating collaborations across campus, we're breaking down departmental silos and answering research questions as a community. Precision Health has designated 2 research scientific facilitators to usher investigators through the resources mentioned in this tutorial and more. Some of the resources available are clinical data, socioeconomic data, genetic data, research data, an image repository, patient recontact, biospecimen, as well as analytic tools. The 2 different ways to access clinical data are through self-serve tools or through customized data reports. Precision Health has expanded its offerings of patient health data by creating de-identified versions of the Michigan Medicine Full PHI tools. Both Precision Health Data Direct and the Precision Health De-Identified Research Data Warehouse are de-identified, date-shifted, and updated quarterly. The databases encompass clinical data on more than 4 million unique patients from across the Michigan Medicine enterprise. The Michigan Medicine Data Direct contains protected health information and it's updated daily. The second way to obtain clinical data is through the Data Office for Clinical and Translational Research. Any clinical data that is not found in the self-serve tools, the doctor team can pull from the medical records and present to the researchers in a secure fashion. We were able to generate latitude and longitude for over 4.5 million patients' current addresses. Those are then linked to census tract and block data since year 2008. We have then mapped it to the National Neighborhood Data Archive, also known as NANDA. Mapping the addresses to the NANDA data gives us information about the patients for these specific variables. And although we have this information on about 95% of Michigan medicine patients, socioeconomic data is highly identifiable, so we were cautious of what we expose as a de-identified data set. The data in green are the ones currently made available in Precision Health Data Direct and the Precision Health De-Identified RDW. Consented patients' DNA is genotyped for over 500,000 variants. Our colleagues at the School of Public Health are able to impute even further and generate high-quality data containing over 30 million variants. For research data, Precision Health has made available secondary research results such as survey data. Currently, we have 2 surveys available. The first survey contains over 8,000 responses for COVID-19 related questions. The second survey includes responses of over 60,000 patients, encompassing questions related to pain severity, physical function, depression, anxiety, and much more. The COVID-19 chest X-ray dataset includes chest X-rays performed on Michigan Medicine inpatients who were tested for COVID-19. There are over 5,000 images for over 2,000 Michigan Medicine patients. About 600 of these patients were COVID positive. The images and data are stored in a DICOM format. There are over 80,000 patients available for recontact to secondary studies. Approval is needed from the Precision Health MGI Access Committee as well as IRB Med. The Central Biorepository enables researchers to access and contribute biospecimen as well as use laboratory services they have available. The data made available from the previous resources can be brought together and analyzed through the environments that the RTS team has put together for researchers. For investigators using Precision Health resources, We have made available the Precision Health Secure Storage location called Turbo. This is HIPAA aligned and PHI approved. The virtual machines Yottabyte and Armis 2 can be used to access and analyze the research data. Through Armis 2, researchers have the ability to use the 48 GPUs which have been purchased and made available by Precision Health. For questions or data access assistance, please email the Research Scientific Facilitators at phdatahelp@umich.edu.